So you may remember from an earlier video, probably the first one that I made with this blue Fiesta, that the valve stem sensor on this tire wasn't working. So I did go out and get a new one, and let's get it changed. All right, I did just put a little mark here on the rim and on the tire so that in case the tire gets moved around, I know where it was so that it gets put back. Just a little dish soap and water to try and help stuff slide a little bit. There we go. So to get this valve stem out, there's a screw underneath here that I can remove. So the new valve stem doesn't have that same kind of screw, otherwise I could just take the sensor and swap it. So I'm going to have to change the whole valve stem. This is a 10 Torx bit. All right, yep. So I just got to loosen that. I think I need just a little bit more space here. That's perfect. I'm going to be very careful because I don't want to drop any of this down into the tire. Because it would just be difficult to get out. There we go. All right, and now let's see. Yeah, you can see the little screw head that was holding that in place. So this little tire tool comes in handy. Valve stem tool. I can just screw that on, and then I can just pull it through. All right, if it doesn't want to pull through, you can just cut off some of this rubber that's holding it in place. Let's see. There it goes. And again, didn't want to lose that into the tire. All right, now before I put this in, I can reprogram it. Okay. So let's see what we're going to do. Turn this on. And I'm going to put it in an advanced mode. Yes. And 41 is forward. So we're going to go with yes. And it's a Fiesta, yes. And it's a 2011. So we're going to go with the number 3 there. And we're going to go down to number 2 for sensor programming. And I'm just going to auto-create a sensor here. Yes. So put it up here. One sensor detected. Do you want to continue? Yes. And it's programming that sensor. Alright, that's done. Alright, so this valve stem is now programmed and ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to take the core out before I install it, because I'm going to want to have the core out to fill the tire and pop it back onto the bead. So there's the core. And I'm just going to spray a little of the soapy water on there to help it slide into place. Okay. That's in. And now I'm going to put this valve stem tool back on so I can pull it in. All right. Almost. There it is. All right, now I can let my ratchet strap loose. It's gonna pop. There it goes. Okay, now let's see. So now we can seat the bead back on the rim. Let's see. There we go. Undo this. Looks like those boards are keeping the tire from the bead from setting over here. There goes. Alright, now let's put the core back in. Now we need to make sure this is inflated to 35 psi. Ugh. All right, 35 psi, ready to go back on the car. Alright, so now once you've got the TPMS programmed, it's installed on the tire, tire's back on the car, now you have to tell the car about the new valve stem. So to put it in the TPMS relearn mode, we're going to hit the brake, turn the key on 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Leave it in the on position. Hit the brake again, and then turn it on and off 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. And you hear the horn beep. That tells you that it is in the TPMS relearn mode. Also, your TPMS light is blinking. Maybe it was before. Now, you need to go around starting with the left front tire and then go around the car. You can either use this little device to trigger them, or you can use your Altel. I'm just going to use this one for now. And I'm just going to hold this, press the button, boom, that one's done. And do the same on this side. There it goes. Okay, and then we have this one. There it goes. And the last one. Now all 4 are reprogrammed. Boom. And the TPMS light is out. Okay, so that's how to change the valve stem, reprogram the valve stem, and put the car into relearn mode so that it can recognize the new valve stem. So if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help out this channel, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.